What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Chef Games with Isaac. I apologize for not making videos lately. I got caught up with stuff. I'm back now, and as you guys can see, I've gained a little bit of weight. I tried bulking for this past 3 months. I'm currently at 245 right now. I'm gonna try and drop down to 225, 220, or 215. Today, I'm gonna show you guys a great post-workout meal to feed your muscles after your workouts. We're gonna be low in calories, low in carbs, low sodium, and of course, high in protein. With that said, grab a pen, and if you're ready, let's get started. Season 3 chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Sear them on a pan until they're cooked. This depends on how big and thick the pieces are, so keep an eye on your chicken to not overcook it. In 8 cups of water, add 8 ounces of edamame spaghetti and simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Now, what is edamame spaghetti? Edamame spaghetti is an Asian spaghetti made with green soybeans. It's packed with nutrients, it's packed with protein, it's got 24 grams of protein per serving, it's gluten-free, 11 grams of fiber per serving, 21 grams of carbs per serving, and it tastes delicious. So once the chicken is nice and seared on each side, take them out of the pan and chop them up in pieces. Preheat a non-stick frying pan. Then nicely rinse your spaghetti. Add some olive oil on your frying pan. Saute some chopped onion. Then add your edamame spaghetti and sear for a minute. Add about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, black pepper, have a tablespoon of garlic powder, or as much as you want. Add some dry basil, dry thyme, once you have your chicken chopped up, add it to the spaghetti. Then add half a cup of low sodium chicken stock. And finally, some chopped fresh basil. And that's it. Go ahead and serve your plate and top it up with some fresh chopped basil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see my results and my progress on my cutting season, please follow me on Instagram at chefgains_feedmeals. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you didn't like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please share and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time here on Chef Gains.